inside over there, guys. What's going on, hon?
I take receipt, but ain't one up in there. Never receipt.
Please wait. This is please wait. Enter
And
the
the
car
car
wash.
wash.
How much was you put in?
$10. You want to close?
Of course, windows closed. All of them, you should be touching all of them. That's to make sure nothing is open, not even in the back. They didn't tell you yet. They should be telling you. Whoa, keep going. Ah. This is the car wash brush in America. America. Yeah. Damn, that's only in the side, nothing in the back. What the hell is wrong with you? Go to the back, man. Get in there. Go in the front and in the back where the lights are. What's wrong with these crazy folks? And the other one, small one. This is the big one that goes to the sides and the back. And you put the new carpet later, the rag, the mat, when we get home, inshallah. Okay? Now we gotta wash your mats and dry it. That's a good car wash though. After the car wash, it's gonna snow. Yung mga brush dito sa car wash, yung pareho sa chinelas sa Pinas. Tawag nila dyan, flip-flop. Flip-flop. Flip. Then flop. You have to put the big one. You have to put over the top of the old one, the original one, and the small one the same. This one plastic. Take them off. It's going to my truck. Okay. Are we moving or just the brush? We are moving. What the hell? That thing is still. Look at the soap, man. You see that? That thing was flying on that brush. Man, that's crazy. Ain't nobody behind you, so keep on drying. Where the taco that there? That taco there?
Yeah, Popeyes.
Oh, bye bye. they have a t-shirt, that would be nice. I love it. What you gonna eat? Nothing?
Well, we can go to one place.
Huh?
We go to one place, you want taco salad from there, right?
No, I just eat it at home. I get spinach, I get some celery. I just eat salad at home. What about you? Burger King? If you go get Burger King, you know what I want.
Mm-hmm.
These things, oh man, look at the spot of your windshield. Look at that tie there. There's a tie there. You see that? You see the tie?
That's bad.
That is not no bag. Them fucking $15 and it can't even clean up. That's tie. Yeehaw. But that's better than the $9, only $1 different. The problem is there's a tie. Oh, I won't do it. I will car wash myself at home. I ain't doing it on the machine. Okay. Ay, ay, ay. You put some water because the tie is still there. And that's gonna spot. Oh shit, the whole water went out there on the road.
Mm-hmm. It's gonna be spotty by the time we get to the house.
Bakit? Because? Why is it gonna be spotty? Because of the tie?
No, because of leaving the water on there.
The old man went inside the car and getting the money.
So you want onion rings, huh?
If you're gonna go there, you going there?
Yeah, I'm going there.
Oh. Onion ring and what you call that? Keep going. There's someone there, and the other side.
I'd like number one, please.
Cheese or
No
no cheese?
cheese. I'd like to drink
punch,
punch,
fruit punch.
fruit punch.
Size?
Lord.
Medium, please.
Oh.
I'd like to get a
Whopper sandwich on the side.
Papa Jr. on the side, just a sandwich.
Cheese or without cheese?
No cheese, please. And one order of onion rings,
What size?
Large.
large.
And Sunday.
Huh?
Sunday.
Sunday and a Sunday.
Yeah, cream pie Sunday, whatever that one is.
What kind of Sunday?
Whatever that was on they're right there. That Sunday pie.
You
Oh.
want taco Sunday?
The Sunday pie.
Yeah, it's the Sunday pie.
Oh, we don't have that.
Oh, okay.
That's
chocolate Sunday?
No, that's okay.
You want a chocolate?
No.
No, we don't want the Sunday.
Oh, okay. We have Hershey pies.
No.
No, thank you.
Anything else?
That's it.
That'd be $6.60.
Thank you.
What she say how much?
I think 1663.
Oh, I thought it was 1660. You want my card?
Uh-uh.
Oh. Your window is open, your air conditioner. That's what it's for. I hate these seats, huh? They like what you call it, honeycomb.
Mm.
Yeah, the dirt. put the vacuum in there, it don't get in. It's like a honeycomb.
Mm-hmm.
And you have to poke with the thing. I had to clean this real good and then buy you a cover. Buy you a cover for this. Just the seats only. 'Cause the the back. Let me see. Oh yeah, the back too. Okay now. Your turn now. That my money you're spending. That my money. Huh? Why? Why you spending money? There is. I gotta get my YouTube here, hon. I got a program to get my YouTube and my Facebook. You don't pay nothing in here. I just forgot how to do that. Yeah, I do. Let's see. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye. I saw over there. We're over. See ya, guys. Bye.